Annyeonghaseyo. So we're already at home from the office, and right now I'm going to give the donation that we have just get from the sponsors in the office. So here's the envelope that I asked earlier. So we have Dongchunim 10,000, we Paramin 2,000, Yongjunim 4,000. So we have 16,000 total for today. So yesterday, you already received 2,000 from Dongchunim. No? So overall, ang inyo na dawat ni Dongchunim is 12,000 plus the 10,000 pounds. So please receive 200. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that is from Dongchunim. Then 2,000, 1, 2 from Iparanim. And Yongjunim, 4,000, 1, 2, 3, 4. So please go count for 16 pa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So, sister of Rian already received the 16,000. And this is the envelope. And that is the condolence money from the sponsors from the Mactan Korea channel. Dongjunim, Wiparamnim, Yongjunim, 감사합니다.
Bunuh ako, kada tumuno, buwang bala ulit. Naka motor ito. Naka motor ito. Buwangan ko. Ay, bago motor. Motor ako, parang buwangan ko.
So I'm here at Rian's house because I'm visiting her mom who passed away Wednesday. So yeah.
Balik ka na.
Annyeonghaseyo. So I have here Mary and Chaika. And since you both failed multiplication last monthly donation, so you will be writing 30 times of multiplication. So you already passed 30 times of multiplication yesterday, no? Saturday. So since today is Sunday, we will be doing a retest. Okay, so you can put it down. So mono na yung mga 30 times, no? Okay, very good. Okay, so I'm gonna test the both of you. So let's start with Mary. Okay, Mary. 9 times 6.
54.
9 times 4.
36.
8 times 4.
32.
8 times 9.
72.
7 times 3.
21.
7 times 8.
56.
6 times 7.
42.
6 times 4.
24.
5 times 7.
35.
4 times 5.
20.
Okay. So, Jaika, are you ready? Okay. So, 9 times 4.
36.
9 times 8.
72.
8 times 6.
48.
8 times 3.
24.
7 times 3.
21.
7 times 6.
42.
6 times 8.
48.
6 times 2.
12.
5 times 8.
40.
4 times 4.
16.
Okay, so you already both passed the multiplication test. So next time, please, don't be failed in multiplication test during monthly donation. And whenever you will be tested again. So don't be failed again. So practice more, okay? Okay, 감사합니다.